Goal templates allow admins to define best practices for goals in their organizations and teams. To manage your organization's templates, click on the Goals header menu on any Goals page. The Goals settings page allows you to create, update, delete, and publish goal templates. The template editor lets you define the values that the goals created from the template will have by default. This includes the goal's title, goal type, and whether the goal should be a company goal or a team goal. Templates can also be configured to create goals with a specific accountable team. You can set a status update reminder cadence and a default description to guide your teams to write great goals. Finally, it is possible to templatize who can edit or comment on the goals created by the template. Once they are published, others can use the templates created by the admin. The goals created from those templates will have the default values defined in the template editor.